Hi, welcome. In this video, I'd like to show you the new Amazon Underground app for Android devices, for Android smartphones or tablets. And what this is it's a new app. It's going to look like this on your device. And you're going to be able to get to a lot of freebies, especially apps for the Android device. Apps that might have cost on the Google Play Store on your device, they are offering them for free. So how they're doing that is Amazon is giving it to us for free, but they're actually paying the app developers for it. So the app developers still get their money, but they're giving it to us for free, which is pretty cool. It's a neat thing. So what you're going to do is on your Android device, you can use the web browser such as Chrome web browser on that Android device, and you're going to want to head over to this website right here. So it's www.amazon.com/underground. And what's going to happen when you get to that website is this letter is going to show up on your screen. So let's take a look at that. So this is the letter that shows up, and you can go ahead and read it. It talks a little bit more why Amazon is doing this, how it works. And when you start to read through it, you're going to see that in the letter there is this blue link that says download the Underground app. That's what you actually want to tap to get this. So when you tap on that, your device screen will look like this. And there's 3 different steps that you want to follow. Just kind of scroll down. You can look at all 3 steps. So the first step, as it mentions, is updating your phone settings. To do that, all you have to do is click on this yellow button right here, and it's going to go to the exact place on your device to change those settings. And what you're going to be changing is this thing called unknown sources. You're going to allow that, and I'm going to talk a little bit more when you see that settings. Then second, you're going to go to your downloads area on your device. And then third, you're going to launch the app itself. So let's take a look at what all this looks like. So if we did the first one, we're going to tap on go to settings. And it's going to take us here to the security settings of your device. And if you kind of scroll down, kind of look towards the middle, there is this thing called unknown sources right here in the middle. And usually this is set to off. As you can see, I already had it set to on, which shows green. But if yours is set to off, you just tap right here and you can turn it to green to make sure it's on. And when you do that, you might get this warning. And it's good to read this warning. You want to read the text in here, and then you're going to click OK. So mostly what this is saying is right now Android devices are okay to get apps from the Google Play Store. So that's the shopping bag where you get apps on your device. Well, unknown sources means you're allowing other stores to be allowed on this device to get apps. Most of the time, if it's from Amazon, it's perfectly fine, it's okay. But this is where you hear, like in the news, that Android devices have malware or viruses. They really don't, unless the user turns on this feature. And you just have to be very careful that you don't use any other app stores. So myself, I have it on. I'm only using the Google Play Store and now the Amazon App Store. But I do not get my apps from anywhere else, no other third-party services. So once you click OK, then you're going to go to the downloads area. So a lot of times you might have to click on the All Apps button. Those are those tiles that you might see at the bottom of your device. It looks like a row of tiles. You want to go to your All Apps. And when you're there, then you want to look for the app called Downloads. So once you're here, you're going to see that you have that Amazon app waiting to install. You just tap it, and then this is what will pop up. You're going to go ahead and read what the app is going to have access to, and go and click the next button. Continue clicking next until it says install, and then you'll click install. And then it finally is all finished, and you're going to tap on the open button. Once you do that, you're going to be in the app, and there's tons of free things. Look at this. Tons of free apps that you can get anytime that you want, which is pretty cool. One area that you might like is the hamburger button in the top left-hand corner. You can get to different menus, including an area that has underground apps. So that's where I'm at in this screen that you're seeing here. When I got here, it did a really cool thing. It said, hey, we can make a really quick shortcut on your device just to get to this part of the underground Amazon app where you get free apps. So I tapped on create shortcut right here, and it did it. You can tap on any app that's in this And look at that, it is free. And you just tap download when you want to put it on your device. I did have to look in my all apps area of my device. I didn't necessarily always put it on the home screen that sometimes the Google Play Store does. But if you go in the all apps area, you can definitely find the apps that you install. And this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have two different apps. You're going to have the Amazon Underground and then the Amazon apps, the shortcut to get the free apps on the device, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy the Amazon Underground app for Android.